Hi, everyone. Do you want to earn money without a 9 to 5 job, work from home, a cafe, or even while you travel? That's called freelancing. On screen text freelancing equals freedom plus earning. Presenter to camera. Freelancing means you work independently. You choose your clients, your projects, and your time. No office, no boss, but lots of freedom. On screen bullet points. Choose your own work. Work with different clients. Set your own rates and schedule scene 3. Examples 0:30 to 0:45. Presenter, freelancers are everywhere. Graphic designers, content writers, web developers, video editors, even voiceover artists. All you need is a skill and an internet connection. On screen text, graphic design, writing, web development, data entry, scene 4, pros and cons 0:45 to 1:00. Presenter, of course, freelancing has both benefits and challenges. On screen split screen, benefits, freedom, flexible time, potential for higher income, challenges, no fixed salary, you must find your own clients, self discipline needed. Scene 5, how to start 1 to 1:30. Presenter, excited. Want to start freelancing? Follow these simple steps. On screen numbered list, identify your skills, build a portfolio, show your work, create profiles on freelance platforms, Upwork, Fiverr, etc. Start small, collect reviews, increase your rates gradually. Scene 6, tips for success, 1:30 to 1:45. Presenter, be professional, deliver on time, communicate clearly, and keep learning new skills. This builds your reputation and brings in more clients. On-screen tips, on-time delivery, clear communication, keep learning. Scene 7, closing, 1:45 to 2. Narrator, voiceover. Freelancing is not just a side hustle. It can be a full-time career. Start small today, grow step by step, and enjoy your freedom. On-screen CTA, like and subscribe for more tips on freelancing.